Hello, my name is Silvia Maldonado. This is my family. This is me, Silvia. I have one son, Jonathan, and this is my daughter, Natalie. My father's name is Adalberto, and my mother's name is Vilma. Natalie, this is Natalie. Natalie is a nice girl. She's short. She has long, wavy, dark hair. She's 9 years old. She has almond brown eyes. And that's it. Let's finish.